they have come and they have burned the effigy of Navjot Singh Sidhu. And हांव विचारपाक सोदता की by doing such a insensitive thing, by burning someone's effigy who is an Indian, we consider that every Indian to be our brother and sister. But what they have done today is shown a very wrong message by burning his effigy. Not only have they burned his effigy, in the video आम्ही पळयला की तेंच्यांनी चप्पल घेवन तेजेर मारला to his effigy, which is a very insensitive thing. As youth of Goa, we do not represent such a insensitive thing. If they would have done it, so issue for the people of Goa, if they had come on the road and done such a thing, we would have congratulated them.
फातोड्डेच्या राहुल प्रभुदेसायाक खेळा खात्यान एव्हरेस्ट चढूंक फंडिंग केले म्हूण काँग्रेसीचो प्रश्न. एकल्याकूच अशी स्कीम दिव येता काय म्हूण काँग्रेसीची हरकत.
On May 24th, 2018, the sports ministry came with a sports scheme called as a scheme for achieving excellence in sports, and we find it very fishy. This entire scheme is fishy because Mr. Rahul Prabhudesai is the first man who has been allotted with this scheme, and he has been given 23,55,000 rupees to go to climb Mount Everest, which he did not climb. For certain issues, he could not reach the top of Mount Everest. I think Babu Asgaonkar, who is the sports minister, has to come out with an answer as to why the taxpayers' money is being used and is not being availed to everyone in the society.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस.